Hey guys, what's happening? How do I change my status in Outlook? To change your status in Outlook, click your calendar right here at the top. Okay, and supposedly you have plans for tomorrow, right? Or next week or whatever. Select your date. Let's say December 19th, which is tomorrow, and then press new event. In December 19th, I'm gonna just click the screen right here to view the whole event, and I'm gonna add the title. Let's say I have a meeting, right? So I selected meetings, and at the top you're gonna see busy, free, tentative, out of office. You're gonna select your status based on that, and of course fill in your details, right, in the location if you prefer. And once you're done, you're gonna be able to hit save at the top, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.